Welcome, From is an HTC Desire 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. Now, to get started, we will need a cable that you use for charging, and you want to plug it into your computer and have it ready. And once you do have that ready, you can power off the device by holding a power key and selecting power off. And once it shuts off, what you want to do is hold a volume up. So only volume up, and while holding that, plug it in. Keep holding it till you see the recovery mode. And there we go. So from here we can unplug it, the cable is not needed anymore. And as you can see, we're now in recovery mode. So in this mode you will need to use a volume keys to navigate, as you can see right now. And power key will be used to select whatever, well, to confirm whatever is selected. And from here we can reboot the device, reboot to bootloader, fast boot mode, apply updates, wipe data, mount system, view logs, and run some tests along with powering off the device. And like I said, whatever you select you will need to confirm it with power key, so I'm gonna simply leave the mode. So reboot system now, power key, and as you can see it will now reboot and go back to Android. Let me put in the pin for the SIM card, and there we go, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.